how to turn on new followers notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on new followers notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then just click this three lines in the top corner and now scroll down. Here you will find this one, settings. Click on it and then just click notifications and go down until you find this one, new followers. All you need to do is just click on it to turn it on, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.